Hello people, it's Yazdan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO token named as UCX Foundation. So let's get started. In August 2020, there was a total of 5,300 plus cryptocurrencies which were traded on daily basis. The number of cryptocurrencies in the market is increasing drastically due to its ease of fundraising amongst the investor and fundraiser alike. It is reported that the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is greater than 238 billion USD with a recorded high daily volume of more than 33 billion USD. Unfortunately, there are several scams in the market where traders end up buying newly launched cryptocurrency but are never able to sell it and convert it to fiat currencies. Crypto exchanges lack the mechanism to reward its community and are more focused to their making own money. To cater the market, United Crypto Exchange was introduced with the help of market to grow with community. The platform have another token which is known as URT, United Reward Token. It is a reward token and will be used by community to earn bonus from UCX. UCX token or URT is equal to profit earned by UCX which is entitled for distribution among the investors. So the first interface look quite yellow to me. Yeah, it's yellow. UCX Foundation is a decentralized finance virtual token. Buy now and get 5% extra discount, minimum sale amount 500 UCX token. They accept all digital asset and fiat. So they have a live price table chart in their website which shows different coins prices on the current time. Their own price of their coin is 6.010. In INR it's 442. They have also mentioned the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and all famous coins here. The total tokens sold are 503,780. They have mentioned a map here where the clients are located in the world, which is Brazil, India, England, etc. The largest transaction recorded are 19,120. The transaction per hour are 17,014. Their transaction in last 24 hours are 15,258. Years of experience of them are 5. So they have introduced only one member of their team which is known as Faisal Chunara, their co-founder and CEO. So as you people would know, a crypto project must have a roadmap where they show their future goals and what are they going to do in future. So the investor should know that what integrations will this project make in their project in future. So let's have a look. They didn't have a roadmap on their website, however they have it in their their white paper. If they want to implement it in their website, we have services like that. If you want to do it, contact us. Roadmap and development plan. On 3rd to 9th August in 2020, they did a family and friends sale. On 11 August 2020, they did a private sale exchange Alpha V. 11 to 20th August in 2020, they did a public sale 1. In 1st to 10th August 2020, they did a public sale 2. In January 2021, they did a buyback and listing of UCX token on exchange. In June 2021, they will do a buyback offer. In 22 June 2021, they will do a resale of UCX. The 23rd to 30th September 2021, they will do a launch of UCX Beta 5. 1st to 10th December in 2021, they would do a resale of UCX S2. May 2022, which be the launch of POS and retail services. So let's have a look of their allocation of token. United Crypto Exchange token allocation. Let's have a look. Their team would get 30%, crowd sale 40%, angel investors 20%, bounty programs 3%, advisor 5%, and referrals 2%. They have a referral program where they kept a 2% token for you. If you want to indulge in it, you can. So how will this project work? They would do funding. USC will get fund via UCX token, 100 buyback in USDT within defined time frame. URT reward token will be available only after UCX token sale. Minimum rates are fixed for all investor. UCX will make profit in trading fee and F&A parking services. Fund will be used to maintain liquidity on platform, etc. So this coin is on best gainer on CoinMarketCap. Let's have a look there. Yeah, so it's on number one, the biggest gainer, a price of 6.05 and a gain of 858.31% in last 24 hours. That's amazing pump. Let's have a look in CoinMarketCap. The live UCX Foundation price today is 6.04 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 3,031,671 USD. UCX Foundation is up 857.21% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 3022 with a live market cap of not available, the circulating supply is not available, and the max supply of 21 million UCX coins. So you can see the chart here. It's from start to end. It was static and a little pump here, and after that they have a dip period, and on this point investors have put in their money here and raised it to here like $6 price for one token. It was something 0.5 something, and then they pumped to $6. So have a thought who have invested here like on 0.3 and 0.5 something, and it have pumped to $6. What would be their gains? Their gains are something like 200 or 500x. That's amazing. Let's have a view of another chart. Here you can see 0.5 or something, 0.7. Yeah, so 0.7 was it price on 6th May, and on same 6th May day after how many time? Yeah, 1 hour. In 1 hour it reached to 5.93 a price. This chart is stated by CoinGecko. So yeah, and it is going stable after that. Like you can see in couple of hours it is maintained its price like 6, and it's still pumping. So it's the best time to invest in this project. This is not a financial advice, you should do your own research. So they are listed on two exchanges like UCX and Bilex. They are you can swap this token on Bilexi from UCX to USDT, or Bilexi in UCX to BTC. So the last 24-hour volume on USDT to UCX is 260,000, which is amazing. It's the main swap people most use here. So let's have a social media review of this token to see if they are active on social media, because social media shows that how active a project is and what are they going to do next and what are their activities, and when is it airdropping or events or something. Starting with their Twitter, let's have a look. Their Twitter is named as UCX Foundation with 55 tweets for 54 followers. Their last post was on December 25. It's a long time ago. They aren't active on Twitter, which is quite weird. For best gainer on CoinMarketCap, you should be updated with your Twitter and social medias. On Instagram, they have 49 posts, 87 following. They posted for New Year 2021. After that, they didn't post it anything. At least you should mention on your social media platform that you are the best gainer on CoinMarketCap. But yeah, they aren't active here. On Telegram, they got a family of 2,182 members. We are 63 online. Let's see if they are active on Telegram or not. So I can't join their Telegram. I don't know what's the technical issue here, but yeah, 63 are online. Maybe their admins are online and reply your questions and clear your doubts there. So if you want to join, you can using this link. I can't join because I don't know, I have some technical issues here. So as an overview, it looks quite amazing project to me because it has a huge pump here. Like there, if it price was on 5th May, its price was 0.5 something, and people invested in it and pumped it to $6. That's a lot. If you have invested on 0.5, your gains are here now. So that's quite amazing here. So guys, this was all up for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. I will leave the website link of OCX Foundation in the description below, where you can check out their website and gain some more knowledge about it. If you want to support us, I will leave our Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description below, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.